Have you ever wondered why we usually see health products most containing coconut oil? Welcome to True Health for Life. Our goal is to give you tips and insights towards better health and well-being. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of coconut oil and its incredible benefits. From boosting your metabolism to nourishing your skin and hair, coconut oil is a true powerhouse. Join us as we uncover the many hidden gems of this natural treasure. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of coconut oil and discover how it can revolutionize your daily routine and elevate your overall health. So, are you curious to explore the magic of coconut oil? Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned till the end because there's an untold secret about its benefits that will leave you hooked. Let's dive in. Number 1. Supports your brain. Coconut oil is a true powerhouse of nature, and its secrets lies in the abundance of medium-chain triglycerides it contains. These MCTs are a special type of fat that holds remarkable benefits for both your body and mind. When you consume coconut oil, these MCTs transform into ketones, which are like a delightful treat for your brain cells. Ketones act as guardians, shielding your nerves and brain cells from the detrimental effects of stress. The incredible protective nature of ketones extends even further, as they have been found to boost cognitive function, enhancing your brain power and mental clarity. What's more fascinating is that studies have shown the potential of coconut oils as MCTs in providing support to individuals dealing with dementia and Alzheimer's, offering a glimmer of hope in the battle against these challenging conditions. The magic of coconut oils as MCTs doesn't stop at cognitive benefits. These remarkable fats have a unique way of nourishing your body on a cellular level. When your brain enjoys the bounty of ketones, it's not just cognitive function that flourishes. Your overall brain health benefits, creating a positive ripple effect throughout your body. The nerve-protecting abilities of ketones contribute to reduced inflammation and oxidative stress, providing a shield against age-related brain decline. The protective qualities of coconut oil are like a natural armor for your brain, fortifying its resilience and vitality. In the quest for better brain health and cognitive performance, coconut oil with its bountiful MCTs stands out as a delightful superfood. The nurturing effects of ketones extend far beyond supporting your brain. They form a protective barrier for your body and mind, offering the potential for a healthier and more vibrant life. So, are you ready to unlock the incredible potential of coconut oil and embrace the wonders it holds for your brain health and overall well-being? Join us as we explore the transformative power of this remarkable elixir and take a proactive step towards a sharper mind and a more energized life. Number 2. It's antibacterial and antimicrobial. Coconut oil's exceptional qualities lie in its unique combination of three main fatty acids: caprylic, capric, and lauric acid. These fatty acids are the true heroes behind the remarkable properties of coconut oil. One of its standout features is its powerful antimicrobial action. Coconut oil's antifungal, anti-candida, anti-yeast, and antiviral properties make it a potent weapon in the battle against various infections. A key component in this lineup is monolaurin, which acts as the precursor to lauric acid. Monolaurin has a remarkable ability to dismantle the protective fatty layers surrounding certain viruses, rendering them defenseless and unable to wreak havoc in your body. This makes coconut oil a valuable ally in bolstering your immune system and equipping it with the tools to combat infections. Coconut oil's antiviral properties are especially fascinating. By supporting your immune system, it can help defend against viruses and reduce the severity and duration of infections. The combination of caprylic, capric, and lauric acid work harmoniously to target harmful microorganisms, including fungi and yeast, promoting a balanced and healthier microbial environment in your body. The potential antifungal properties of coconut oil can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with candida overgrowth, a common issue that can cause various health challenges. Embracing coconut oil as part of your diet and daily routine can help maintain a balanced gut flora and support your overall well-being. Incorporating coconut oil into your lifestyle can be a game changer for your health, thanks to its multifaceted benefits. Its antifungal, anti-candida, anti-yeast, and antiviral properties, backed by the trio of caprylic, capric, and lauric acid, provide a natural shield against harmful microorganisms. By bolstering your immune system and supporting a balanced gut environment, coconut oil can play a significant role in promoting your overall health and vitality. So, why not join the coconut oil revolution and unleash its immune-boosting power to safeguard your well-being? Embrace the wonders of coconut oil and embark on a journey of enhanced health and resilience. Number 3. Provides you energy because of MCT. When it comes to boosting your energy levels, MCT oil is an incredible ally with its unique properties that lead to enhanced vitality and stamina. MCT, or medium-chain triglycerides, found abundantly in oil, offers a rapid and efficient source of energy. Unlike other dietary fats that require digestive enzymes for breakdown and absorption, MCT oil bypasses this process, getting absorbed directly into your body. This means that MCT oil provides you a system with an immediate source of energy, giving you a quick boost without the need for a time-consuming digestion phase. Once MCT oil is absorbed, it undergoes a remarkable transformation. It breaks down into fatty acids and ketones, which serves as a powerful fuel sources for your body and brain. These ketones, in particular, have an exceptional impact on cognitive function, protecting nerve cells and supporting brain health. They've been shown to boost mental clarity and focus, making MCT oil a favorite among those seeking improved cognitive performance. By providing your body with this efficient fuel, MCT oil ensures you receive more ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate, the body's primary energy currency. ATP fuels your cells and powers various bodily functions. And with MCT oil, you get more of this valuable energy source compared to carbohydrates. Embracing MCT oil as part of your daily routine can lead to a noticeable increase in energy levels. Whether you're an athlete looking to optimize performance, a busy professional seeking sustained focus, or simply someone looking to power through the day with vitality, MCT oil can be the solution you've been seeking. Its direct absorption and efficient energy production make it an excellent addition to your diet. Say goodbye to energy crashes and sluggishness and welcome to a consistent and sustained flow of energy with MCT oil. Unlock the potential of this natural energy booster and experience a new level of vigor and mental alertness that will support you in achieving your daily goals and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this journey exploring the incredible benefits of coconut oil. From its rich content of medium-chain triglycerides, which provide a quick and efficient source of energy, to its immune-boosting and antiviral properties, coconut oil truly is a powerhouse for your health. Whether you're looking to support your brain function, improve your immune system, or enhance your overall well-being, coconut oil has something remarkable to offer. So why wait? Embrace the natural goodness of coconut oil and experience the positive impact it can have on your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on living a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.